So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step video. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can back up your Mac with iCloud. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to back up your data using iCloud, then this video is for you. So guys, iCloud is a software that helps you back up all of your data. In case you lose them, then they are very easy to restore through iCloud. So iCloud only gives you 5 GB of storage. To get more than 5 GB, you need to upgrade your iCloud to iCloud Plus. So if you want to upgrade it, just go ahead and tap on upgrade to iCloud Plus and you'll have extra storage. And you can also get many other benefits like private relay, HomeKit secure video, family sharing, and hide my email. So guys, to back up your data using iCloud on Mac, you'll be automatically shown the option that says backup on iCloud. So when you were creating your account, if you've turned the iCloud option on, then it'll automatically back up your data. But if you have turned it off, then just go ahead and turn it on, and then you can be able to back up your Mac using iCloud. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you back up your Mac using iCloud. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.